Right, okay, we've just been to the Seabreeze. We're here in Redcar, and it's just behind me here. You'll be able to see it over my left shoulder. It's blue, and there might still be a queue on there now, I've no idea. But the turnover of people, it's quick. Beef dripping, it's, I think I saw 6, maybe 7 members of staff altogether. Nice uniforms, nice place, super friendly. The server for us today was Graham, and all smiles. It makes a heck of a difference to have friendly staff. They were all friendly. That smile on Graham, it's like it was born with it, and yeah, very helpful. What have we got? We've got their Scampi. 10 pieces of Scampi. Mmm, that is nice. It's sweet. You can actually taste. I'm presuming that langoustines and not prawns. You can taste it. Mmm, wonderful. That's a good start. The breadcrumbs are put together and cooked, probably in the beef dripping, and they're crispy. It's sort of like melded together, all the breadcrumbs. It's just crunchy. It's tasty. It's sweet. It's lovely. Now this is a bit of a treat, and I've never had these before. And the banana blossoms. Yeah, I'm going to crack one of these open. We're going to have a little look. Cut it straight in half, or I don't even know how to work these things. I know it's the flour at the end of a bunch of bananas, but it's not got a banana-y smell. Batter's nice and light and crispy. It's not, well, I mean, for me, I'm thinking of bananas. I'm thinking it's going to be fruity, but it's not fruity. Kind of like an artichoke taste. It's quite strange. If I pull away the flesh or the flour itself, you can see it looks like turkey. Okay? Very unusual. So would I have them again? There's no fault of the chippy. It just is what it is. It's a taste I've never experienced before. I don't think I'll bother again. I think I can understand why vegetarians and vegans would go for it and have it cooked in oil, which they will do for you in this chippy. Because they did ask, do you want it cooking in oil? I said, no, I'll throw it in the beef drip. Now, would it have made a difference? No, I don't think so. Okay, there's a slight taste. There's a difference between beef dripping and oils, but not enough to change the flavour of what's inside. Yeah, I can understand that being sort of a fish replacement. This is their large fish, and it's a cod. Box is a large size. The fish itself was £12. Let's have a little look, see what you get for £12. But that's a big fish. And I'm just going to break this little leg off here. Look at that. Just how cod, a nice piece of cod, at the seaside should taste. We've got lots of scraps, big scraps, all kinds of scraps. Let's just move some of this whopping fish to one side. Look at the size of that. And have a go at these chips. Is there a queue still? Yeah, there's still a queue. See it. But it's moving. It's at a good pace, so I wouldn't worry when you see 10 people outside the shop like that or so, how long it's going to be, because it was quick. So yeah, it was great. You know, it was absolutely fabulous. Plenty of places to park too. You can park on the grass like we did a bit further round. There is car parking spaces. 1 star. What place does vegan produce 1 day a week? Response from the owner. Hello Lucifer. Not sure if you have the right business, but we do offer our vegan and vegetable oil menu 4 days a week from Thursday to Sunday. These options run from 11:15 a.m. each day and turn off an hour before we close. We do have more info on our website, or alternatively, you can phone the shop and speak to a member of staff. They will be more than happy to help. 3-star. Couldn't believe how small the fish was. Plenty of chips. I got the standard fish. Wouldn't like to have seen a small. Hi Stephen. Thank you for taking the time to get in touch. On our cod range, we offer a large cod in 2 sizes and regular cod sizes 2. Most of our customers opt for our regular cod size, and for those with a big appetite would tend to go more for the large cod. When you next visit, we would be happy to talk you through the different options so we can best help you attain the size, weight of cod that meets your needs on the day. Thank you again for taking the time to give us your feedback. Best regards. I love responses, from the owners when they actually try to be helpful. It's and obviously, trying to protect their business too. I mean, it's all about the money at the end of the day. And obviously they have a love for what they do. Otherwise they wouldn't be doing it. Not in that kind of business. So yeah, I like the responses. 5-star. Massive queue outside, but well worth the wait. And the queue speaks for itself. My family literally explores areas such as Hartlepool and Seaton for good fish and chips, but this place here in Redcar was the best they have ever tasted. Fluffy batter and crispy but tender chips. Can't fault this place, and the guy serving us was so polite. We will definitely be coming back. Mine. 5-star. My first visit to Redcar led me to a renowned traditional chippy, known for having queues frequently out of the door. Naturally, I had to try it, and I was pleased to find myself in a queue outside, as the food was well worth the wait. In truth, I didn't wait long, as the numerous staff members worked together like a well-oiled machine. Our server, Graham, greeted us with a great smile, one I felt he may have been born with. All of the staff were friendly, the shop was clean and tidy, and the food was excellent, as one would expect from an award-winning chippy. The large cod was generously sized, cooked in beef dripping with a crispy light batter and a thick, fresh fillet. The chips were tasty and just as you would hope for at a seaside chippy. I also tried a deep-fried banana blossom, though it wasn't to my taste, but I can see it being a great option for vegans and vegetarians, and I was even asked if I would like it cooked in oil. The majority of customers who were coming and going seemed to be local, which is always a good sign. Cooking in, beef dripping. They do offer vegan and vegetarian vegetable oil options on certain days of the week, so check with them. Hygiene rating 5, cash or card, fish reviewed, cod. Very nice. See you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.